Hello there, my name is Patrick Kelly. I'm the author of 7 national best-selling retirement books. One of those books, which has sold more than 750,000 copies nationwide, is this one, Tax-Free Retirement. As I've spoken to individuals across the country, many of them have simply read this title, Tax-Free Retirement, and then asked, is that really possible? I'm here to tell you, yes, it is possible, easily possible, even though most Americans have no idea how to achieve it. This is not some gimmick or tax loophole. Rather, it's just the opposite. It's a fully recognized, approved strategy under Section 7702 of the IRS tax code. And it's not complicated. It's available to virtually everyone, but only if they have the privilege of working with a professional who understands how to do it. If you are funding a tax-qualified plan like an IRA or 401k, I need to ask you a very important question. Do you believe tax rates are going to be higher or lower in the future? If you said higher, then here's the next question. Wouldn't it be better to pay your taxes today, not only at potentially a lower tax rate, but also only on the principal, and then be able to access your money in the future, both principal and gain, income tax-free? Or would you rather delay paying tax on your principal now, but then be forced to pay tax at whatever tax rate is in force decades down the road on both your principal and your gain? You see, tax-qualified plans don't save you tax. They simply delay tax. And when was the last time that you found delaying a problem made it smaller? Doesn't procrastinating a problem almost always make it a bigger problem? If you don't believe me, just wait a few days to call the plumber the next time you have a pipe break. Again, no one can guarantee what tax rates are going to do in the future. No one. That's for you to decide. However, let me just say this. In the last 13 years, we have tripled our national debt. Think about that. It took us 232 years as a country to accumulate $9 trillion in national debt, yet in the last 13 years, we've tripled it to over $27 trillion. Yet our top marginal tax rates are near the lowest they've been in over 100 years. I mean, does that make any sense? Does it seem sustainable? Again, I'm going to let you decide. The reason you're receiving this short introduction from me as the author is because you've either recently received or will be receiving this book completely free. And let me assure you, there are no strings attached. This book sells every day on Amazon for $14.95. But you're receiving it free because a financial professional who understands how this strategy works wanted to make sure you didn't miss this important message. Now, I know we all lead busy lives, but I urge you, if you care about your financial future even a little, please do yourself a favor and commit to reading at least the first chapter, just 6 short pages. But it will give you a vivid picture of the debt tsunami we face and how that could affect your retirement in the years to come. Now, here's one last question. If there was a way that you could avoid this potential chaos and be able to access at least some of your money in retirement without having to pay any state or federal tax on either the principal or the gain, might you be interested? If so, then please reach back out to the financial professional who gave you this book. I know they'd be happy to show you how you can potentially make this part of your future retirement. Thanks for letting me take a moment of your time. I wish you all the best for your financial future.